Dear friends, Namaste, and that's Ramneek Wig in front of you. Friends, today I shall be telling you about pranayamas and food therapy for people suffering from diabetes. Now friend, there are several pranayamas for people suffering from diabetes. However, the best ones are number 1, Kapalbhati, number 2, Agnisara pranayama, number 3, Nadi Shodhan pranayama, number 4, external retention Nadi Shodhan pranayama, number 5, Bhaya pranayama, number 6, double retention Nadi Shodhan pranayama, number 7, external retention of breath. So friends, today here I shall be showing you the technique of a very simple and a good pranayama known by the name of Bhaya pranayama. Now the technique goes like this. First you're going to gently close your eyes. Then you're going to exhale all your breath. After you exhale all your breath, your abdomen shall completely sink in. As your abdomen completely sinks in, you apply all the 3 bandhas. The 3 bandhas are number 1. The first is Jalandhar Bandh. That means you bring your chin down like this. Second is Udyan Bandh. That means you try to compress your abdominal muscles inwards. And the third is Mool Bandh. That means once you've applied Jalandhar Bandh and Udyan Bandh, after that you try to pull your rectum muscles upwards, and that's called as Mool Bandh. So you stay in that position after applying all the 3 bandhas for a few seconds. Once you start feeling stress, you again release all the 3 bandhas and you gently inhale in back. After that, you can again start doing a couple of rounds of rhythmic abdominal breathing, and after that you can again try doing 1 or 2 rounds of Bhaya pranayama. So friends, I shall demonstrate to you the technique right here. I've kept my one hand over my abdomen. I gently take a deep breath and inhale, and then I exhale all my breath, applying all the 3 bandhas now. I gently inhaled back and came back to my normal position. So friends, that was Bhaya pranayama for you, and it's very good for people suffering from diabetes. Now friends, as far as food therapy goes, try to remember that try to avoid sweet products in your diet because they have a very high glycemic index. Remember, glycemic index is the rate, it is the level, it is the marker which shows that how fast the food converts into sugar in your body. So all sweet products have a high glycemic index. Remember, even potato and white bread have a very high glycemic index. So always try to see that take foods which have a low glycemic index, like whole grains, they have a low glycemic index. Second, try to avoid saturated fats and trans fats in your diet because again they are very bad for people suffering from diabetes, and more importantly they also have a very high glycemic index. Number 3, try to take in a lot of soluble fiber in your diet, like all beans, whole grains, fruits like apples, grapefruit, pears. They have a high rate of soluble fiber in them, so try to take in such fruits. Fourthly, try to take some naturopathic treatment for diabetes. For example, jamun seeds crushed, they are very good for people suffering from diabetes. Neem leaves, very good for people suffering from diabetes. Karela juice, that means bitter gourd juice, again very good for people suffering from diabetes. Fenugreek seeds, again very good for people suffering from diabetes. So try to take these natural remedies and you will get a lot of relief, and your diabetic level will go down drastically. So friends, that was food therapy for you regarding diabetes. Friends, for further details, you're most welcome to contact me directly at my personal cell, which is +91 98 101 78140. You can also visit my website, which is www.ramneekwig.com. That is www.ramneekwig.com. Thank you friends, namaste, and have a great day ahead.